As global populations increase, so does the global demand for food. NEC is working with Kagome, a leading producer of food and beverage products, to maximize the harvests of tomatoes. Tomatoes are difficult to cultivate effectively, requiring years of experience to develop essential farming skills. Kagome and NEC are seeking to increase crop yields in existing production areas and develop new ones in areas not known for tomato production. In the first year, NEC was able to produce accurate crop predictions without copious amounts of past data that can take years to accumulate. In open cultivation, weather is a big variable. NEC's solution allows multiple growth prediction simulations based on the latest weather conditions. In the future, artificial intelligence will mimic entire value chains, from production to distribution, optimizing farm processes such as cropping and harvesting. Such solutions can help minimize food loss or waste and boost factory utilization.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.